Nigga, it's Mr. Disrespectful. I don't give a fuck who you is, nigga, I will disrespect you. Nigga, it's Mr. Disrespectful, married out in a furrow and a reefy and a snake. We don't want.
What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. As you can see from the intro, I did buy a wide body kit. Let me know down below if I should wrap it or should I just get it painted. If you like the videos, like, comment, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Before I can start this wide body kit, I got a customer all the way out California. He want these actuators, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these cut out. I'm gonna get these dropped off and then we can get back to the video. So I'm gonna start off with the whole front end. I'm getting my day started a little late on the car because I was doing other stuff. It's supposed to be 5 o'clock. If I could get this wide body kit put on today, I'll be surprised, but I'm gonna see. Even if I get it on, I won't have the wide body wheels. If y'all think I should leave the phosphorus on it and put some spacers on it, let me know down below, or should I just put some OEM wide body wheels on here? I'm gonna set y'all up for a little time lapse. Let me put the wide body kit on. If y'all enjoy me doing stuff like that, let me know. I'm gonna start doing that for y'all, but let's get to the video. Just like that. Fender's off. That took like 2 minutes. Now let me take this. Just like that. Got this side off. I'm gonna throw the whole front end on before I even start the rear, just to see how she'll look. On there. Look at that fitment though. OEM things. Let's go ahead and do this side real fast. I'm gonna do this one time lapse for y'all. Driver fender is on there. I'm gonna end up pulling this flare off because that's what you're supposed to do when you put the bumper on. The flare is supposed to go on after. Let's go ahead and put this front bumper on real fast. I might jack the car up though because it is on Lawrence Spring, so it's a little hard to get the bolts underneath on. All right, come on. Bumper is temporarily put on. I want to see the fitment. This scat was not in the accident, so that's good. This all lines up pretty good. This all lines up pretty good. And that's without the bolts. The bolts not even in there. What y'all think I should do though? Should I put a red eye hood on here, red eye style, or keep the Hellcat style that I got for it? Let me know down below in the comments. So now that the front is on, I can do this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the rear bumper on. I'm gonna throw the 2 doors on. I can see if I could do the quarter panel flare. That takes me like 3 hours alone. It's already, I think, 6:30. Sun is about to go down in about 40 minutes, so I can see if I can get it on, but I'm gonna try. But I know this video won't come out till possibly tomorrow. I don't know if I mentioned it already. I did do a first drive video on the car. YouTube took it down. Well, they flagged it down for copyright because my homie had PNB rock playing in the background. So technically this video will be a first drive as well, but I'm not gonna title it as that. Sometimes you gotta take a break to eat. Eat. Bumper on, so I'm gonna make my young bull put the rest of it on. I forgot to record this part, but we got the doors on. So if you don't know, the wide bodies, the doors, they have the flare that's made in the door. So you always have to change the door. Well, you don't have to, but if you want to sit there and drill all these holes for unnecessary reasons, be my guest. But I prefer to just change the actual door that has the flare already on it. So now all I have to do is cut this, get this flare put on, and then basically the wide body cut is done. Then I'm gonna go get me some wide body wheels. So hopefully by tomorrow I'll have everything put together. It's 8:24, still working. I'm about to cut this quarter panel. So step one to the rear quarter panel, what I'll do is I'll cut this. I'll cut lines right here, fold it up, seal it off so it doesn't rust. Then, can't tell you the rest of that. If I need it done, let me know. But I'm gonna wrap it up tonight because my neighbors are sleeping. I don't want to annoy them. The dirty bit is on. Hold on, I just threw the hood on. You gotta see this. Jeez. It is the next morning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the 2 quarter panel flares. I'm gonna see if I can find some wide body wheels by today. If not, yeah, gonna get this look for now. But let's go ahead and get this cut. So I got a guy that's actually about to come from Harrisburg, PA to come trade me for the wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off real fast. I'm gonna show y'all which wheels that we get. Bro came all the way from North Carolina to swap wheels with me. What y'all think about this rent? I want to try something that's crazy. These are the wheels I'm getting. What y'all think? Y'all like them? Damn! This thing looking like a Daytona Hellcat. I'm not gonna lie, these front tires is not it.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
It is super bony, but before I throw the back ones on, May get the flares temporarily put on. I am switching back to the camera real fast. My phone is charging. As you can see, we do got the flares on. Ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna put the wheels on. I'm gonna give it a little rinse. Clean these wheels. These wheels are filthy. I'm gonna walk down the car real quick, take some photos of it, and show y'all basically the finished product. Just like that, wheels are on. I'm gonna jack it up and see if we're gonna have that rubbing issue a lot of people have with these big wheels. So I'll get y'all set up real fast. Hold on, baby. So hold on. Watch your feet.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Up to you. Up to you.
What are you thinking?
I'll see if it's gonna run. Getting closer and closer. I think that's as low as it's getting. Think?
Oh, look at the dogs.
Oh shit.
What?
It scared me. That's not that bad. Not that close. Oh, he's fine. Except Grizz and they'll get in the car. I'm gonna get these puppies a little quick clean real quick. Then I'm gonna probably go find some tires for the front. Then I'm gonna take some pictures before the sun go down. A little quick rinse. Still dirty, but I just want to see the original color of these rims. Get this cool stuff real quick. Go to the back. Go cool stuff.
I don't know where it felt like it.
Divvy on the front now. What happened? Do it again. Do it again. I didn't do the wash, but it's cool though. This is the car, which I think, man, I think she came out nice. I might leave it like this too. On my strictly sideways shit. On lowering springs. I need to put the wheel wells on. Do I need to get some? That's not a big issue. I'm gonna put that on later. Let me know down below what color I should wrap it. Or if I even should wrap it or just get it painted fully white. I'm not gonna leave it like this, but I might leave it like this for a little bit though. That's what you call a project. I am going to be changing the hood to the red eye one. If you like the Hellcat style more, let me know. But this hood is probably going to be sold by the time this video come out. And then let me know down below what color I should wrap it. And also, I'm going to post on Instagram, whatever comment gets the most likes, I'm going to wrap it that color. I'm going to let y'all do the color. I'm going to hit y'all with some B-rolls real quick.
Nigga, it's Mr. Disrespectful. I don't give a fuck who you is, nigga, I will disrespect you. Nigga, it's Mr. Disrespectful, married out in a fro and a wreath in a snake. We the ones that made 39th Street popular. Bro put a scope on his Glock, shit like binoculars. D-Glow got hit with a Russian yacht, we get that drop up. Russian yacht hit D-Glow, bro, when his head it blew his top up. I used to trap out gunner crib like how the fuck you come.
For today's video, let me know what y'all think down below. Catch y'all on the next one. I just cleaned the car off camera. About to put some tire shine on. If y'all don't know, this is one of the best tire shines. Hey, I ain't saying sponsor me, but if you want to sponsor me, y'all know my Instagram. Let's go ahead some of this tire shine. I know it's a little dark, but I'll give y'all a little update before I definitely end the video. Even though I was supposed to end it like 30 seconds ago, which is 3 hours for me ago.
Can she watch it too? Sit next to her. Why are you not sharing? Why are you not sharing?
These wheels took like 4 hours to clean, but shit, it was worth it.